Good afternoon, everyone. It's Monday, March 25th, and we are live in Liberty. If you don't hear your event today and you want to hear your future events in our weekly update, you have 3 ways to get that information to us. You can call our office at 912-368-4445. You can upload it directly to our website under the calendar tab at the top, and our website is www.libertycounty.org, or you can email the information to tourism@libertycounty.org. So for today, Monday the 25th, the Hinesville Live Oak Public Library has a Titanic escape room for ages 16 and up at 6 p.m. and the United Ministerial Alliance General Meeting at New Day Community Church at 6:30 p.m. Tuesday, March 26th, the free enrollment and renewal assistance for Medicaid and Peach Care for Kids, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. at United Way of the Coastal Empire. Liberty County Board of Education work session at 9 a.m. WorkSource Coastal has goal setting and job search methods workshop at 9 a.m. Career Advantage at 1 p.m. and Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act orientation at 3 p.m. The Hinesville Live Oak Public Library has story time for ages 0 to 5 at 9:30 and 11 a.m. Coastal Campaign for Healthy Kids at 4 p.m. and Community Yoga at 6:40 p.m. There's a historical marker dedication for Susie King Taylor at Midway First Presbyterian Church at 11 a.m. The Midway Riceboro Library has puppet making workshop ages 5 and up at 4 p.m. And then there's the Hinesville Downtown Merchants Association meeting at Ameris Bank at 5:30 p.m. and the City Walterville Council meeting at 6 p.m. Wednesday, March 27th, the Hinesville Live Oak Public Library has AARP free tax assistance at 10 a.m., a puppet making workshop ages 5 and up 4 p.m., drawing and sketching classes for adults ages 18 and up at 6 p.m. WorkSource Coastal has Career Advantage at 1 p.m. The Midway Riceboro Library has Open Computer Lab at 5 p.m. The VFW has Steak Night at the VFW Post 6602 at 5:30 p.m. and Doodles Poker Tournament at Doodles Billiards at 8 p.m. Thursday, March 28th, WorkSource Coastal has Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act orientation at 9 a.m., Career Advantage at 1 p.m., and Resume Building Workshop at 2 p.m. The Midway Riceboro Library has story time ages 0 to 5 at 11 a.m., and then the Hinesville Live Oak Public Library has the Lego Club for ages 5 and up at 4 p.m. and movie night watching Christopher Robin at 5 p.m. Friday, March 29th, the Hinesville Live Oak Public Library has a baby play date for ages 0 to 3 at 10:30 a.m., Stories of Impact at YMCA at 4 p.m., and Friday Night Flicks watching Forrest Gump at USO Fort Stewart at 6 p.m. Saturday, March 30th, the Helens Haven Children's Advocacy Center 5K Run and Walk in downtown Hinesville starting at 9 a.m. The Liberty County School System has a job fair at the Board of Education at 9 a.m. There's a spring plant sale at Liberty County High School Greenhouse at 9 a.m. Liberty Cycle Polaris Spring Sales Event Open House Party at Liberty Cycle Polaris at 9 a.m. Builder Model Home Furniture Sale at RTS Homes at 9 a.m. Cars and Coffee at Dunkin' Donuts in Hinesville at 9 a.m. Liberty County's first ever Food Truck Festival in downtown Hinesville, 11 a.m. The Midway Riceboro Library has Financial Literacy at 1 p.m. Hope for the Homeless Musical at Full Gospel Tabernacle at 5 p.m. First Presbyterian Church Academy 13th Annual Gala, A Night of Excellence at Dorchester Village Civic Center at 6 p.m. RSVP by calling 912-876-0441. Sunday, March 31st, Unmasking Your Potential at Liberty County Performing Arts Center, 10:30 a.m. Banks Island has their billiards tournament starting at 1 p.m. Reoccurring events, Meals for the Homeless in Hinesville include Liberty County Manna House, Monday through Friday, 4 to 6 p.m. Westside Baptist Church, Saturdays from 5 to 7 p.m. Cathedral of Praise, Sundays from 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. and also serving lunch on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. WorkSource Coastal has free youth GED classes Monday and Wednesdays 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Orientation workshop offered Tuesdays 3 to 4 p.m. and Thursdays 9 to 10 a.m. Hi Felicia. Free adult GED classes Monday through Wednesday 6 to 9 p.m. The Liberty County Armed Services YMCA hosts group wellness and aqua classes each day. For more details on classes or the class schedule, you can check out our website or you can call the YMCA directly at 912-368-9622. The Savannah Swim Team will have practices Monday through Friday evenings and Saturday mornings at the heated outdoor pool at the Liberty County Rec Department located in Midway. Free 2-week trial for children ages 5 to 18. For more information, you can contact Coach Rob at 703-728-0434. As always, we hope you get up, get out, and explore Liberty.